When we are finding the least common multiple of two numbers, one thing you can just think of is that you're skip counting. Finding multiples is really like skip counting. 2, 4, 6, 8. That's really just skip counting, but we're really doing 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4, and so on. So skip counting is a way that you can think of multiples. You're going to want to put that answer on your yellow blank on your sheet. So let's take a look at what it looks like in word problems. Pike Stationery sells cards in packs of 5 and envelopes in packs of 10. If Garrett wants the same number of each, what is the minimum number of cards that he will have to have? Well, this is probably something you can do in your head, but I want you to identify when you know this is going to be least common multiple, this word minimum. If you hear minimum, you hear least, you hear smallest, you may want to trigger your brain into getting into least common multiple. So for this one, I know that I have 5 and 10. So 5 is going to be my cards. So I'm just going to write cards here. And envelopes, I'm just going to put ENV, is 10. So I'm going to go ahead and do my skip counting, 5, 10, 15, 20, etc. And I'm going to go ahead and skip count my 10s, 10, 20, 30, etc. Now, least common multiple means I'm looking for the smallest that they have in common. And if I look over here, the very first number that I see in common is that 10. I also see that there's a 20, and eventually there will be more. But because I'm looking for the least common multiple, I want the smallest. So the least is 10. So I will need 10 cards and 10 envelopes, which means I'm going to have to buy two packs of cards and 1 pack of envelopes. So our sentence might say something like, he will need to buy 10 cards and 10 envelopes, or 2 packs of cards and 1 pack of envelopes.